Welcome. In front of me is a HUAWEI P50 Pro, and today I will show you how you can hard reset the device through the recovery mode. So I do have a screen lock set on this phone, so I'll also see if this will remove the screen lock or not. I'm actually not exactly sure. But anyway, I'm gonna progress from here with the device locked. So let's start off by holding the power key and tapping on power off. And once the phone turns off, you want to hold power key and volume up at the same time. And as you can see, this takes us to recovery mode. So from here, you want to tap on clear data, then select factory reset. And all you need to do is type in yes, so YES, and then simply press factory reset. Now this will begin resetting our device, which question answered my question. It does remove screen lock as well. So once this is finished, all you need to do is select back and then restart, and this will continue the process in the background, which will take about a minute or so to finish up. And once it's completed, we'll then be presented with the setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. So as you can see, the process is now finished, and you can set up your device however you like. If you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.